Hi everybody, I just want to pop and remind you about a fantastic Christmas crafting event we've got coming up on both the CraftStash Facebook page and craftworld.com. This is Wednesday the 9th of December, so that's not long to go, at 7 p.m. UK time. Now we have got the world-renowned Lindsay Weirich, which you may know as the Frugal Crafter. She is going to be joining us for an exclusive craft along. All you need to do is come along with your regular tools and things. Have you got maybe some MDF? If you've got a wreath that maybe you've been thinking about decorating for a while, maybe some floral dies, some pretty pattern papers. That's all you need, honestly. Come along, come craft with Lindsay herself, ask some questions and just get really Christmassy. She's going to be looking at making a wreath, some gift bags, some Christmas cards as well. You are going to have so much fun. So make sure you tune into the event at 7 p.m. on Wednesday the 9th of December. That's UK time, don't forget, but this is open to anyone in the world. This is on craftworld.com and also on the CraftStash Facebook page. I cannot wait to see you there. I'll be there in the comments and joining along with my craft tools as well. So afterwards as well, I can't wait to see what you've made. So make sure you share those on Craft World too. Okay, I'll see you then. Take care, everybody.